Time is this abstract phenomenon that is experienced in consciousness that actually influences your biological clock. So we have to understand what is the mechanism through which we metabolize the experience of time.
And what is that mechanism?
It is how the observer and the observed separate themselves, and the observer measures experience. Time is the continuity of memory using the ego as an internal reference point. To the extent you can break the barrier of the ego, you break the barrier of ego. And to the extent you can establish a relationship with the timeless in the midst of the time bound, you influence your biological clock.
So I think you said time is the observer's relationship to the observed.
And in fact, in the deeper reality, the observer and observed are the same being. And when you get, with spiritual tradition we call that love, when you get to that level of unity consciousness, there's no time.
There's no time,
There's
and there's no you, and there's
eternity.
no me. And if we can take that awareness into the body, then it lights up ourselves.
Absolutely. In fact, if you can have your attention on the timeless, even in the midst of time-bound experience, you will, first of all, feel free, and secondly, you'll change your body. You will nurture your light body. Spiritual traditions talk about astral body, subtle body, causal body.
Right.
Now we can understand these levels as information and energy, and in fact as photons, which are the carriers of information and energy, which permeate the whole universe.
And so when we bring that all that awareness into one point, we reach a level of enlightenment. And when that happens, we are in the timeless place.